guys, so I'm gonna do a video of a highly requested skincare routine. So lately a lot of people have been saying that my skin looks good and it's glowing, so I said let me film my nighttime skincare routine for you guys so you guys could see what products I use, and I'll link the products below. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start by tying up my hair, and then I'm going to apply this scrunchy headband thingy. So yes, girl, we do not want to mess up them edges. So what I use is the Tatcha, the rice wash, along with this spin brush. Now I wet the brush first, and I apply about a dime size amount of product to the brush. I then go by wetting my face, and then you'll see me here exfoliating and washing my face with the Tatcha product. And yes, I do use this brush every day. See, a lot of sud going on, suddy sud. And then I do rinse the bristles off after each use. Very important, because you do not want to transfer bacteria. Rinse that off, and actually for me, I do not dry my face. I let it air dry, and then I go in by applying my toner. This toner I'll have linked for you guys. So if I'm not using the Laneige, which I tend to use every other night, I will go in with my Foreo. So tonight I'm going to use the Foreo with the Call It a Night UFO mask that came with it. Here's me showing you how I apply the mask to the device. Now, the mask tends to have a lot of excess serum, and girl, we are not wasting anything, especially not with Foreo. So I definitely use every single drop of this product. And before I use the device, I put the excess serum all over my face. So I pair my device with the app that I have, and you can see me doing that there. And then I go into picking the mask that I will be using tonight. Press start, and I'm good to go. As you can see, this device emits red LED. Well, for this particular mask, it emits the red LED, but it does have a variety of colors, as well as it emits thermal heat and pulsations at the same time. And I do not wash the serum off when the procedure is over. And then a little Mario Badescu for the lip, and I'm going to bed, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. I'm here for you. That for Bella's back.